Morning everybody. Yes, we've got to make sure it's all plugged in there. I'm recording and then forgetting that the mic's not even switched on. So how is everybody? Some essential jobs today there. Let's go in the tunnel. Sorry, apologies. My name is Tony Smith and this is my garden.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town.
Right, now I'm looking for the other boxes from TK Maxx. I wonder if I've took them down home, you know, like I want to keep that one. I don't think I've got them up here no more. Because I'm waffling. Because let's go out here. Right, what am I planning to do today? Right, I'm going to pick the last of me radishes there, which are kind of split and oversized, unfortunately. But I'm going to pick them. I'm keeping them ones, those red meat ones from Audrey over there. I'm keeping them ones. I'm going to pick and sort out them potatoes, clean that bed, put a little bit of clean on that bed, and there was something else and I can't remember what it was. What was it? No idea. No bloody idea. Anyway, I will try and find them baskets. Can it find them? So I'm going to use that one. And then, because that's actually, this little setup there is a great height for that chair when I'm doing like recording, when I can sit down and record. I've just realised. So look at the state of that one. So I'm going to use that box, put my potatoes in. Right. But I'll bring this back up. I'll transfer it over. Just want to have a little quick look at my salad. How my salad's doing. Look at that man over there. I'll be picking that soon. Actually, them leaves are huge. Don't know what that is, to be honest. I've still got some more to go in, so right, potatoes, man. So I've still got a few, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've still got 9 tubs. So what I'm going to do is just dump the compost in here, cut off with me secateurs. I'll tell you how good these things are. Link in the description. Honestly, fantastic. I'm going to pick them out, get them in that box. Whether I take them home now or just leave them to dry out a little bit, I don't know, but we'll see. Before I start, I just realised that I went with my mum's yesterday and did a bit of work on my mum's and got a load of, this is all lavender. I cut all this lavender back and I actually got a blister. I've got these proper battery operated hedge cutters, which would have took us like 13 seconds probably, but it took us ages. Well, it didn't really, but little secateurs. Not as good as them ones. Actually, they're off. I picked already out of that one. I've been picking them early on in the seasons, so there might not be that much in this one. Pink fir apples in there. If you can, try and grow these. Honestly, they're just such a lovely potato. Bloody slug. The last thing you want to see me is doing some more potatoes, so I'll pause it now. I've just cut all the tops off. I didn't know if I was bloody batting a ball in here. Shoulder's getting slightly better, eh? Can it do? But you know, it's getting there. I think it's just time. I think they are 50 litre pots and the 30 litre pots. I was putting 3 tatties in the 30 litre one, and I'm finding I'm not getting as many, like as big a haul than the 30 litre. The 30 litre is like the sweet spot. If you're going to do tubs next year, the 30 litre is the sweet spot. Links in the description. No, I'm not sure. Honestly, the orders are the best. the 50 litres is just too big and bloody, just too much space and just nah, good. I know I said I wasn't going to do it, but I'll do one. This is, I'm still out on the fence about the 50 litre one. I thought I was right with my theory, but then I've just had one of them. Out of the 2 pots, one was choked with big uns. So, but they are just bloody heavy things to wheel about. Oh, do you know what I mean? So, even if this is full, I'm just going to stick to the 30 litres. It's just to me sure that I've just sure I was getting better. Look at these bloody. Oh, there's a nice one. Oh. Look at the size of these bloody bad boys. Well, they're a nice size, I'll give you that. Look at them. So, what I was saying about them 50 litre pots, just ignore it. Just get yourself links in the description. I've left them ones a bit too long in the ground. You know, they're just a little bit, they'll be all right, but not like silky smooth. But hey, that's a potato. It's butchering me back. Right, oh, me back. Mind, there's no getting away from Tony O'Neill's method, simplifying garden, of like doing potatoes with that stuff on the top. Do you know what I mean? They just like, what I'm going to do is put them on a bed and leave them for a day or two, just let them dry off. Actually, I'll just put them on this path. Oh. Few pound of potatoes that'll last a little bit. Like I say, we've been, you know, using them from kind of when, let's just turn you around there, when really early potatoes were like time to go, so I was picking them small, but that method just works constantly. Brilliant. I'm saying constantly, I've only done it once. What else was I going to do? Right, oh sorry, there's people there looking at us holding the camera. Yeah, it's just got a few more radish just to kind of clear out as well. Actually, look at you, see, he's splitting. That's a nice one. Oh God, look at the size of that. Like you say, we've been, that's a nice one, mate. I'll keep that one. It might be, they're all, you know what I mean, I am the radish king. That's, you know what I mean, I grew up with that nickname, you know what I mean, so that's a split one. Would you just keep split ones? Don't think I will. That these red meat ones have got, like, and that's splitting there, so that means that they're kind of, some of them are ready. I need Audrey to have a, hopefully she's watching this video. I'll pull that one. Audrey, is that the size they go, or do they go bigger than that? Is that official? I'm a red. That doesn't look red to me. It's funny that some are white and some are red. Anyway, oh look at that! I think they're red inside, man. I'll pull that split one. Oh, just, can you see? They may be fungi. Right, I'll leave them anyways. Right. There we go. I think so. I think they're red inside. Right, 5 minutes. But I want to show you something. I'll put them in there. It's got a hole in. So what do you call them? What do you call them, man? Radish. Right, so I'm going to just top and tail them, right? I'll just leave them and I'll put them there. But this is a knife I've been using for quite a lot, you know what I mean? But it's been going, what is it? It got mentioned on the show, and I can't remember. More knife, I don't know. But anyways, the point was going blunt. I got myself one of these. Have you seen these on Amazon? And I was thinking, oh, and then it came, and it's this dinky little thing, but it sharpens knives. Man, do you know what I mean? You kind of, it's like a suction vacuum thing there. And we just normally have it on, you know, like I say, a masonry jar kind of thing, and you just lock that in and then slide the blade. And this was like, see, it was hurting my shoulder, cutting, like say, the roots off turnips, Swede. But then got this little thing, and this, I mean, I'm not saying it's going to put the smoothest, silkiest, you know, sharp edge on, but it's certainly, from what this was, it's certainly kind of cut it. I better be careful to hurt myself. So just, you see, what do you say? Where? Link in the description. Affiliate, you know what I mean? My son's going to university on Sunday. So, and actually, I'm recording this Thursday. I'm recording this Thursday, and there's going to be a lockdown. So we've got to get them down. We're taking them down to Bristol University on Thursday, on Sunday, should I say. Now, I'm gonna go under the umbrella that's essential travel, but the northeast is going into like a lockdown, and so I'm not. Just a bit stressful, to be honest. I'm just having a 5 minutes chat with you. Do you know what I mean? Just pouring out. So yes, if you want to know, we're big into space, and for some reason he must have got my brains at school, because he got great results, and he's going to do aerospace engineering. He wants to work, because the future's like Mars. Do you know what I mean? He wants to work in the aerospace industry. So when he's first like a tot, his dreams were an astronaut. Honestly, we went to kind of more astronaut talks than anything. But genetics, he's now about 6'4" years, and he's doing weightlifting. So I think he's kind of off the astronaut thing, but he still wants to do the aerospace engineering. So there we go. I'm just, like I say, just telling you a few things. Right, they are a weird colour inside, or a nice colour, should I say. To be honest, I think I've done enough today. The potatoes has whopped us out just a little bit every day. I can't remember what that other job was going to be, to be honest. Maybe it was to pull sweet corn, but I don't want to put me onions in just yet, so we'll see. Anyway, I'm waffling, and you know what I mean, you got better things to do. Look after yourselves, take good care. It was water the salad. That's what it bloody was, man. I haven't watered that up there for, come on. I haven't watered that for ages. I don't water as much now, but they still need a little tickle. Oh. Right, this time, look after yourselves, take care.